Understanding, it's not too shabby, a guide to everyday English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression. It's not too shabby. This phrase might sound a bit quirky at first, but it's widely used in everyday English to convey a particular sentiment. Stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and nuances to help you sound more like a native speaker. The phrase, "it's not too shabby," might confuse learners initially because it uses negation to express a positive sentiment. Let's break it down. Not too is a double negative that actually points to something being acceptable or good. It softens the statement, suggesting that while something may not be perfect, it's certainly good enough or better than expected. Shabby refers to something that looks old, worn out, or in bad condition. So, when we say something is not too shabby, we're implying that it's quite the opposite. This expression is informal and best used in casual conversations. Here are some scenarios where "it's not too shabby" fits perfectly. 1. Complimenting something modestly. When you want to praise something without going overboard, this phrase strikes the right balance. For example, after trying a new cafe, you might say, "The coffee there is not too shabby," suggesting you were pleasantly surprised by the quality. 2. Acknowledging improvement or effort. If someone has worked hard on a project or task, saying their work is not too shabby can be a friendly, light-hearted way of recognizing their effort. 3. Expressing satisfaction. Whether it's about a purchase, a performance, or an outcome, this phrase can convey a sense of satisfaction with the results. To better understand how to use "it's not too shabby," let's look at some examples. After a renovation, I was worried about how the kitchen would turn out, but it's not too shabby. Commenting on a performance, you said you were nervous about your speech, but I thought it was not too shabby at all. Reflecting on an experience, we had to wait a bit longer than expected for our food, but once it arrived, it was not too shabby. And there you have it, folks. "It's not too shabby" is a versatile expression that you can use in various contexts to express mild approval or satisfaction. It's a great addition to your English vocabulary, especially if you're looking to sound more like a native. We hope this video has been helpful and that you're feeling a bit more confident using this phrase in your daily conversations. Don't forget to practice, and as always, happy learning!